Inside the $100 million Boeing Business Jet B737 by Royal Jet. Boeing's line of private jets is reserved for a special kind of wealthy, known as Boeing Business Jets or BBJs for short. They're the private jet equivalent of airliners. Royal Jet is an airline based in Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates. It is a charter operator aimed at the luxury market between the UAE and Europe. In this video, we'll go inside the $100 million Boeing Business Jet B737. Let's get it on. With sticker prices for the cheapest plane just shy of $100 million, even the average millionaire likely couldn't afford to have one in their stable. Boeing Business Jets brings the best of commercial aviation into the realm of private air travel, offering customers a wide range of Boeing products that can be uniquely customized for the private, business, and governmental sectors. The robust characteristics of these planes also provide an excellent value proposition when outfitted for the private market, offering more extensive, more personalized space, unmatched reliability, and worldwide support. The passenger cabin on the $100 million Boeing Next Generation B737 has a new look, providing passengers with comfortable, aesthetically pleasing surroundings. Operators get a cabin that is both durable and flexible. The interior floor, wall, and seat materials stand up to wear and tear and can be easily cleaned. The jet provides an even larger cabin measuring 3,689 square feet while still offering an ultra-long range of 11,000 nautical miles. This model opens up almost unlimited interior design options to ensure ultimate comfort for long-distance travel. Inside the B737, owned by the Royal Jet, the main lounge area has 8 seats with 2 large marble tables for dining or conference. Each of the seats can convert into full flatbeds. Passengers can control the lighting, audio, and video window blinds with the ease of an iPad remote control. The BBJ is luxuriously designed by Edisi Durit Design, particularly like the glass and curtain partition and the ceiling without any overhead bins. Behind the main lounge area, there are an additional 8 seats that can also be extended into full flatbeds. There are further 18 premium economy seats at the rear of the BBJ, which offer additional capacity for the VIP entourage. In addition to the hand-picked cabin crew, the Royal Jet BBJ service comes with a personal onboard chef. Perhaps the most impressive feature of the BBJ is the private bedroom with queen-size bed and private bathroom. Today, 70% of private jet flights are used to transport professionals for business meetings. Renting a private jet means tight schedules, numerous appointments, and visits scheduled on the same day to different locations. With a private jet, CEOs and business people no longer need to spend 3 days on the road in transport and in airports for their professional missions. Nothing suits that objective more than the BBJ by Royal Jets. Notable owners of the converted jets include Tony Robbins with his newest private jet, a BBJ 737, and former President Donald Trump, who flew on a Boeing 757 filled with gold plating before being elected president. When the super-rich buy an aircraft of Boeing's size, the process of designing the interior is comparable more to decorating a home as they seek to personalize the jet. While traditional concepts for aircraft interiors are space usage and light, this jet's concept is very space-age with enhanced use of onboard technology and LED lights integrated into the furnishings that complement new design features. The layout is anything but ordinary, departing from traditional configurations and incorporating wavy lines into the layout. Still, there's room for 5 compartments, including a galley, dining area, living room, office, and bedroom. The BBJ's interior concept takes full advantage of the benefit that Boeing's jets have over its Gulfstream, Bombardier, and Embraer competitors, which is and will always be an abundance of open space. Open concept is also a vital feature of the plane's design. Still, strategically placed pillars contain foldable barriers to offer on-demand privacy when needed, whether it be for an important meeting or just a getaway from other passengers. Even the partition that separates the galley and dining room can be opened. The countertop can be moved between the galley island and dining room table to easily transport meals between the 2 sections. The aircraft is also large enough to house a large bedroom with a queen-size bed and opposite wardrobe. The star-shaped LED lights in the ceilings also give the appearance of sleeping under the stars while flying directly under them in the upper altitudes. And like most Boeing private jets, a full shower is installed to further make it more of a home-like environment. This particular interior is intended to mirror a tropical beach landscape, but like the aircraft's other features, the color palette is customizable. The Middle East is a large market for Boeing's private jets, including the largest private jet in the world, the Boeing 747-8i. The onboard technology in Royal Jet's BBJ is also customizable to Arabic or any other language that the end user prefers. While the design isn't the most luxurious, it offers an ultra-modern alternative to traditional configurations not currently found on most aircraft. Boeing modified a combination of their 737-700 and 737-800 airliners to create the BBJ, overhauling the interior with a stylish, luxurious corporate layout. The original model's full name is BBJ 737-700 for increased gross weight due to cabin modifications and increased fuel capacity. The interior offers a variety of areas and open spaces that can accommodate between 18 and 149 executives, although most versions are configured with a seating capacity of between 40 and 60 passengers. Interiors are available in several layouts for luxury and executive charter, with endless customization available for aircraft owners. The BBJ's cabin offers more square storage than some offices, 807 square feet, and measures well beyond your standard business jet at more than 79 feet long, 7 feet tall, and 11.5 feet wide. Chartering one of these VIP corporate airliners will start at well over $10,000 an hour. If this rate is higher than your budget allows, you can check out with smaller competitors that offer high-density seating and long-range flights, including the Embraer Lineage, the Bombardier Global Express, the Gulfstream G550, and the Gulfstream G650. While flying aboard this magnificent plane, dual temperature control zones allow passengers and crew to stay comfortable throughout the aircraft. Groups can disembark using the BBJ's Air Stair when traveling to airports with less sophisticated infrastructure or limited ground support like those in the Caribbean. The BBJ's design combines the fuselage, wings, and aft section of the 737-700 with the landing gear of the 737-800. Twin CFM International CFM 56-7 engines powers Boeing's corporate airliner, and 10 auxiliary fuel tanks are available to offer intercontinental range. Some models also include winglets to increase range and reduce drag. Pilots can stay relaxed and alert during long-haul flights thanks to advanced avionics on the flight deck, which are based on Rockwell Collins' popular Series 90 suite. As far as reliability is concerned, this jet is designed to fly 10 to 12 hours a day every day. This equals around 12 to 14 cycles per day, cycles being a unit of measure to track a plane's wear and tear. BBJs are built for 75,000 cycles, meaning they practically last forever. Although it may vary as an aircraft ages, BBJs can fly 10 to 12 hours every single day while lasting 15 to 23 years. The cost to charter this particular jet is about $12,000 to $15,000 per hour. Private air travel is becoming more accessible and affordable through private jet charter. There are successful people all over the world who are unlikely to reach demi-billionaire status anytime soon, but they still have high standards when it comes to traveling comfort and performance. In order to cater to this market, several charter jets now offer all the luxuries of private air travel, including spa facilities, mattress beds, individual minibars, and fully partitioned private suites. The service is proving popular with both VIP businessmen as well as Hollywood stars and fashionistas. So, if you're a discerning traveler but can't afford to buy your own expensive private jet, you can still fly like Bezos and Gates. But it doesn't come cheap. As we all know, every luxury must be paid for, and everything is luxury starting with being in this world. What would you do if you were to spend a day in this masterpiece? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. Oh, and turn on those post notifications.